goddamn holes is froze up again. Some men were Baptists, others Catholics. My father was an Oldsmobile man. That son of a bitch would freeze up in the middle of summer on the equator.
No pictures.
Here are those world travelers that
It's a clinker! That blasted, stupid furnace!
Dadgummit! Damn skate! Oh, for Christ's sake, open up the damper, will ya? Who the hell turned it all the way down? Again! You piranha killer fucker. In the heat of battle, my father wove a tapestry of obscenity that, as far as we know, is still hanging in space over Lake Michigan.
You dumb fucking hosticle fifer! Damn it, you nerve-starved fucking mother! You horse-sucker! Yeah! I got you!